What's up guys, Danny here again. Got another pretty standard build. It's a Silverado build that we did yesterday. Buttoned it up this morning. Wanted to bring it to you guys, show you guys a little bit about it, and tell you what we've done. Got a 2016 Silverado 1500 four-wheel drive truck. We fitted it with a rough country 7-inch knuckle style kit. We like to use the rough country. Real good stuff for the money. Kind of hard to beat. And about $1,000 for the kit plus install. Like I said, hard to beat the value. So on this truck, it's got the 7-inch kit. We did the XD buck 25 wheels and a 20x10, and then we did a 35 1150 20 Nitto ridge grappler. You guys got to be careful out there getting those Nitto ridge grapplers or your Toyos. We see a lot of people actually make the mistake. They come in, tell us their truck is riding rough, and if you don't go to the right shop, a lot of people don't notice, but in a 35 1250, most of these tires are actually in the F load range depending on the size. It's a 12-ply tire, so on a half-ton truck, tend to ride real rough. So just something to be careful. If you're out there pricing out tires, make sure you check the load range up before you go just buying them and putting them on. We also went ahead and put Bushwacker fender flares on this to help keep the tires up under the fender a little better. As you can see with the 20x10, it's got a little bit of poke in the front, not quite as much in the rear. Customer may want to add spacers down the road to get a more even stance in the back. Obviously with the knuckles, they're going to push you out a little bit on both sides. So yeah, truck took very little trimming to make this setup fit. 35 1150 definitely helped on the fitment. As you can see, we trimmed the front valence a little bit, but there was no trimming required in the back for right now. So yeah, if you guys want to get something set up similar, got any questions about this build, just give me a shout. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys.